Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to introduce another important homeowner profile that we call the Sentinel. If you look at our triangle map of the three main homeowner motivations, the Sentinel sits right between resilience and autonomy, borrowing some aspects from both. It's one of the least common profiles among battery prospects that I surveyed and talked to, but it actually represents the largest segment of battery owners. So, why do we think that is? Well, here's what the data suggests. Before people buy, they tend to think in silos: how much backup, how much savings. There's probably a payback component in there that they're trying to calculate. Once the system's installed, though, the value drivers of a battery start to merge, and a lot of people start to see those benefits as unified. And it happens automatically. That's the autonomy part. Sentinels are watchful, like the name suggests, but they're not scrutinizing the app every day. They want it to be set it and forget it. The system charges ahead of a storm. Hopefully, it uses power when it's the cheapest. It maintains a regular self supply schedule, or however the homeowner tunes it. They don't have to guess. The problem, though, is that this combined unified value usually isn't landing until after the sale. People buy on backup and cost, and then they discover the automation later. So the opportunity is about getting that story in front of them earlier. In messaging to homeowners, positioning the system as one unified automated solution really is an advisor to the home, not just a stack of features and specs. That's what seems to resonate. Another thing of note here: awareness of things like VPPs, bidirectional charging, smart panels, basically a lot of the very technology that helps make a unified system a reality. Even among Sentinels, that awareness is still pretty low. So there's an opportunity here to build that awareness of those components and those features and that value earlier and help attract more Sentinels into the pipeline. Because once they're a customer, they're likely to be a vocal advocate with other homeowners as well.